And go.
Hey, this is Steven. I'm here with Ann.
And go.
Watch how Ann, he pulls my arm down, and that's how he gets good positioning on the knee. Once he has his hand behind my head, he's got a free knee. So watch that again. He's a long guard. Slowly. Here, he taps the hand down, the other hand goes right here. Bang. And this happens at the same time. So the moment he does that, he throws that knee. There's no way I can block it once he does it like that. Same. So it works really well when someone has a long guard. If the guard is up, then you can tap the hand down. If someone's coming forward, it's a good defensive attack as well. The key to that is to tap the hand down. If I don't tap, so without that tap, he can throw that left hook and it catch you right on the chin. So no tap. Yeah. So when he blocks that front hand, I can't throw a hook at the same time. So no block. So if he doesn't block it, he has a dangerous shot because his opponent can attack him with that punch. See that? I didn't tap his hand. His hand comes from. And that would catch me right on the chin. That's a knockout shot right there. So anytime you go in for a knee, you want to always make sure you control the hand. If you don't control the hand, you're in danger of getting pulled down. Other side. So you can do that with both sides. See, if he doesn't tap it over, he's in danger of walking in. He comes right into the overhand. But if he taps it down, no danger. See how he has that control? Notice you keep control of the hand. So after you tap it down, you want to keep pressure. Yeah. Sometimes the opponent will fake you. Yeah. You guys enjoyed watching that video? Make sure you guys give the video a like and hit the subscribe button below. If you want to support the channel, check out mtpfightgear.com. So we'll see you in the next video.